Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your eSIM QR code. First, understand that an eSIM is a digital SIM that allows you to activate a cellular plan without a physical card. This technology is becoming standard in many modern smartphones, offering greater flexibility. Getting your eSIM QR code is usually a straightforward process, often provided by your carrier. It's a quick way to set up your service. To get your eSIM QR code, your first step is to contact your mobile service provider. Most carriers offer eSIM activation as a standard option for compatible devices. They can typically send you the QR code via email, or you might receive it on a printed card if you visit a store. Always confirm your phone supports eSIM before proceeding. This ensures a smooth transition to your new digital SIM. Once you have your eSIM QR code, activating it on your device is simple. Navigate to your phone settings, usually under cellular or mobile data. Look for an option to add cellular plan or add data plan. Your phone will then prompt you to scan the QR code. Position your camera over the code, and your device will automatically detect and begin the activation process. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If you encounter any issues during activation, don't worry. A simple restart of your device can often resolve minor glitches, allowing you to try scanning the QR code again. For more persistent problems, it's best to reach out to your carrier's customer support. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or issue a new QR code if needed. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.